Okay, little malfunction there, but hopefully we're back on the road here. This is the front porch of the little condo we're staying at here in Boquete. Got a few minutes before our taxi arrives to take us into downtown Boquete for the party. And I just thought I'd mention a couple of quick things. I have my phone here. When you're in Panama, everybody uses WhatsApp. Okay, it's a internet feature which everybody uses here. A little word of advice: if you're using WhatsApp and you're not used to it, if you need to call somebody, you need to add them to your contact list on your regular phone. Once you have them there, you can use WhatsApp to communicate with them. When you have WhatsApp, it's a little confusing. Like I said, I tried to dial numbers, it wouldn't let me. But anybody I have on my contact list, I can call. So just add them to your contact list. Just make up a name if you want. Put the number in there. Boom, save it, and then you can call them. Everybody uses WhatsApp here in Panama. If you're going to be, you can use it in a Wi-Fi area, but I recommend getting a local phone service. I got 14 days of internet with a chip here for $7. Okay, $7, and you got communication the whole time you're here for 2 weeks. So, just a little advice when in Panama. Get yourself a local phone service chip. You stop at any kiosk, just tell them you want local service. They'll change the chip for you. You save your old chip. When you get back in the States, you put your old chip back in. You get back to your regular service. And there we go, okay? So just a little handy travel advice in Panama. And we'll get back when the taxi arrives, all right? Thank you.